So here we've got two Filtron oil filters cut open. These are both from Hyundais. This one on the left is from a Hyundai Tucson with the 2-litre GDI, and this one is from a Hyundai i30 N-Line with the 1.6 turbo GDI. Both of these did a 10,000k oil change interval, both with Valvoline Restore and Protect 10W40. I just thought you might be interested in the amount of sediment in the base of the cans specifically. So you can see on the Tucson, see how thick that sediment is. It's pretty incredible. And then on the i30, it's not quite as bad, but you can still see in the corner there's quite a large chunk of sediment there, and even the whole can sort of got a bit of a layer in it. In terms of the actual filter media itself, you know, it's dirty, but not terrible. I haven't cut it out completely yet, so you can see everything. But you can see it's not completely loaded up. The bottom of the pleats are still visible. It's the same for the i30 as well.